It's your boy DJ Ambar. You already know what it is, man. January 7th, 10:55 p.m. My life is a motherfucking movie. My life is your entertainment. You already know how it goes, man. I just give y'all that real shit, man. A lot of people don't give y'all that real shit. I'm giving y'all that real shit. I'm watching the fucking time. I just called the jail. Told me I gotta turn myself in tomorrow. So right now we're shutting the clubs down. Won't be no old school nights. Won't be nothing. You already know I'm the loudest fucking DJ in town. So I don't care what's popping. It's okay for y'all to go to all the other functions while I'm in jail because there ain't gonna be nothing else to do. When I get out, it's over for all you fucking haters. So watch your fucking mouth when I be gone. And bless your boy. Be nice if I see some free Ambar shit, but I ain't even tripping. You hear me? I got so much love on this bitch, I ain't even tripping. I just want to say salute to the whole fucking good entertainment, man. And shout out to my new La Familia Hollow Gang. Y'all gonna hear that a lot. Hollow Gang, DJ Ambar, man. I'm posting this motherfucking video before I go, man, because I'm a motherfucking G. Packing the studio shit up, putting my shit in storage, and when I come home, it's mixtape after mixtape, and I'm getting on you haters' ass. If it ain't good entertainment, then it's probably not gonna be nothing to me, alright? DJ Ambar, man. I'm out of here, man. Deuce, nigga.